Man, we are live in Huntsville's infamous boiler room, man. If you don't know, ChrisStylez Trackz.
We had to get up in here.
We're being, baby.
We had to get up in here.
I know.
Conversation, man. I told y'all we was gonna go here. I told y'all I'd be looking out for Lil Ben and King Load. I told y'all that earlier. Y'all didn't know we was gonna be to work tonight. You know what I'm saying? So y'all really just
make some magic,
for the outcome, baby.
You heard me?
Make some magic. Real nigga shit.
And nigga, you know me. You know me, man. I'm hey, man.
In the water room, baby. This is
Oh,
how we
man,
do it. Boy got double screens in this mug.
My man's is working. Oh yeah, my man.
I get in, man. It's
This
beautiful,
is it.
man. This is what you call a studio right here. You know what I'm saying? Nigga,
And everybody know the infamous Tupac poster. This is the infamous Tupac poster. If you've been in the water room, everybody know this. I had this poster 15 years. Everybody know this one, and they know that one. And they know that one. Aaliyah.
All them fallen soldiers, man.
Everybody know this.
Dedication wall.
These
is the greatest right here, man.
Once you see these, you've been in the water room, and everybody else know this one right here too. Say hello to my little friend.
That is, man. We in this thing, man. King Load.
Boiler room.
Y'all boy wanna know some crazy, man.
ChrisStylez Trackz.
That's what we do right here, baby. We're gonna do some magic in here. Street Urchin TV, baby.
You don't know that, you know.
It is, man. Say it's your boy Name Brand, man. I'm signing off, man. Huntsville, man. You know I'm back in Huntsville. I wish you would. I wish you would. See, you can't take urchins nowhere. They hard headed.
My bad. You in that bitch, whole shit. Real talk, no, this really ain't even no expensive stuff, dog.
But shit, like you said, you know what I'm saying? You gotta invest in what you're doing.
Exactly, bro.
Yeah, aight, man. They know it's me, it's Name Brand. I'm back, baby. I'm chilling, ChrisStylez Trackz. You know we ready. Lil Pen in the booth, you know the boys are run. These niggas know the shoe. Alright, this nigga, man. I'm chilling with my fam, homie, in the spam, man. Anytime I'm eating on the mic, they know the business, and I know the business. ChrisStylez Trackz, look in there. Big guys, homie. They can't find me, homie. Why am I lonely, blowing that good shit? Constellation, cause you know I'm as high as clouds now. This no sense to hate, man, I'm all the time down. Till the day I die.
Okay, boy, look at that.
Yes, sir.
Y'all don't want to get me wild up in here, baby.
That's a nice
Y'all don't
one,
want to
man.
get me wild up
That's
in
a
here,
nice
boy.
one.
Y'all don't want to get me wild up in here, boy.
What's up? Let's do it.
Look at
You
being
got
crunk.
me wild low key.
Y'all don't want to
Just don't know. Let's do it, nigga.
We can load it up. We can get it loaded up, man.
Up in here, boy.
We get it loaded up, man. You know what I'm
You know what
saying?
I'm saying?
Boy, let me see.
This like game time feeling right here. This like right before the game when you putting them cleats on, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You walking out, you know what I'm saying? We must protect this house type shit.
You hear me?
Watch me.
You hear me?
Right there, look at it.
ChrisStylez Trackz.
See, them boys in the booth ready. Hey,
ChrisStylez Trackz. You ain't bad, bitch. Then you ain't getting in.
put it in, baby. This how we do it.
Four.
Yeah.
Got that boy ChrisStylez Trackz, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? My boy loaded in this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I think we finna make a club banger tonight.
This is a rap form, man. This is a rap form at its best, man. Like, when you got somebody here making a beat, while you know what I'm saying, recording the song, it's crazy, man. This is art. Y'all need to take heed to this, man. This is art. This is real art. Ain't like you niggas going, you know what I'm saying, making BS, getting beats outside. Click, it's art right here, man. It goes down, man. It's art. This is art. This is an artist doing his artwork. You know what I'm saying? It goes down. Everybody saying it's rap. Nah, it ain't rap, man.
I ain't copying and pasting on the boys, man. I ain't copying and pasting on the boys. I'm playing. I'm playing.
You know what I'm saying? That's what's up. That's
see.
the art. Yeah.
I get it in, we get it in. I get it in, we get it in. I get it in, we get it in.
Look, dress that polo shirt, bitch, I'm going out. Headed to the club, catch me down south. Lil' Ben, we cold like Michigan or Minnesota. They catch me like Red Rover. These bitches love me, they hate me, they love to see me. These niggas envy, they looking, he wanna be me. Cause I'm the king, he know it, I'm swagged up. These niggas trippin', hope they done get bagged up. Cause I ain't shootin' hoes, and I don't wanna fight. So if you talkin' boxing, it's be a short night. Because I'm shooting choppers, it'll be a long night. You try to run, then this will be a short fight. King Loader, fuck the club and the promoter. I get it in, bad bitches come on over. You not down, then really you shouldn't come around. It's King Loader in that chopper beat sound. I get it in.
I get it in, yeah, I get it in. Yeah, I get it in, nigga. We get it in. We talking about a diamond.
I ain't forgetting though.
Boy, ChrisStylez Trackz.
Yeah, that's how we do it. That dang. Some working, twerking with it. Come on.
That bitch motherfucking clapping, y'all. Y'all hear that clapping shit, huh?
We ain't working, baby. Putting it in. Dang.
And for y'all that don't know, my niggas, what a nigga gotta do to make a beat. We gotta go through preparation. And if you ain't bad, bitch, then you ain't getting in, ain't getting in. We get it in, ain't getting in. We get it in, ain't getting in. We get it in, ain't getting in, bitch. We get it in.
Where my snare at?
Boy, say he need a snare.
Where my snare?
Nigga said, I wanna feel this beat like this.
That's enough, man. I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and just, you know what I'm saying, watch history in the making. Cause when we do this motherfucking track, y'all boys gonna be like, damn, these niggas eat this shit. Fucking with Chris, you know what I'm saying? This motherfucking ChrisStylez Trackz.
in this motherfucker, you feel me? Music, man, what y'all gotta know is a star gon' shine in the dark. Real nigga shit, enough said. Fuck with us, my nigga. H-Time and Conroe, my nigga. C-Time and this bitch, man. Sweet up in this motherfucker. I'm not a star. Somebody lied, I got it in the car. Then I got a chopper in the car. Somebody lied, that illegal in the car. Don't make me get it. Don't make us get it, man. Real nigga shit. I'ma let y'all go though, man. Signing out young business, bitch. Street Urchin NT, Street Urchin ABM, Street Urchin TV. We this motherfucker. ChrisStylez Trackz, bitch.
That's how we do it, baby. It's go down, baby.
Yeah. I'm on it. I'm sipping on this Alizé. I ain't really smoked nothing yet since then. Let me hit the blunt at the video shoot. Shout out Montana. I'm feeling good. Reppin' that motherfucking Texas. It's H-Time up in this bitch. Never ever plexing unless you boys got some plexes. You feel me? Bitch.
Check this out here and figure out what we're gonna do on this track.
Come on, man. Let's get that on down, man.
Go down, baby.
Check this out. Be like, I get it. We're gonna drop first. We're gonna drop
The hook first.
Hook first. Okay. You ready? You ready, Nick?
Yes, sir.
Nick ain't doing the hook. No, Nick, he finna record.
Yeah.
What's to be right for that get it in part though?